Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.
Hive ducks, hive ducks, hive ducks in a boat. In the soft embrace of dawn's first light, 5 ducks set sail, hearts joyous and bright. With feathers aglow like the morning sun, they quacked out a tune, their day had begun. The boat rocked gently on rippling waves as laughter spilled forth from these merry braves. Their beaks dipped low to the shimmering blue, a dance of delight in each splash that they knew. Come follow us, cried the leader so bold, with tales of adventures yet untold. Through lily pads blooming and reeds standing tall, the world was a canvas, their spirits would thrall. But clouds gathered slowly, dark shadows unfurled, whispers of thunder began to swirl. Yet still they pressed on with courage so grand, no storm could deter this brave little band. Then raindrops fell softly like tears from above. The wind howled its song as if calling for love. Yet huddled together within their small boat, they found comfort in knowing they were afloat. Oh, fear not, said one with a glimmering eye, for storms will pass by like clouds in the sky. And as droplets danced on their backs with a sigh, they quacked through the tempest a heartfelt reply. At last came a break where sun peeked anew, a rainbow arose with colors so true. The 5 ducklings cheered as they basked in delight, for joy is most brilliant when shared at first light. So here's to the bonds that can weather all strife, to ducks who remind us of love's simple life. In boats made for 5 or for hearts made of gold, together we journey through tales yet untold.
Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.